These are the elevators at the Hilton Garden Inn in Sarasota, Florida. Hello. So this is a ThyssenKrupp elevator from 2002. Impulse fixtures, as you see there. Here's your certificate, which is actually old. A phone. We're gonna try to get the other elevator. I'll cut the video to when we get. Actually, I ended up not cutting the video because that didn't take that long. We're gonna go 4. This elevator is basically the same, but it's a Miami label instead of a ThyssenKrupp. I'm not sure what this cabinet is here. Here we are on 4. And now we are going to go down to 1. Both these elevators have Dover HelpLink phones. Here's the Hilton Garden Inn promise. Here's your inspection certificate. Just like the other one, it's old. There should be new inspection certificates like expiring August 2019. That'll be it.